Assalamualaikum to my YouTube family. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? So this video is all about how to make a perfect wedding base. As you guys know, the wedding season is in full swing. First step is to moisturize our face. I'm using my Holy Grail Neutrogena Hydrogel Water Boost. You can use other beauty oils as well, depend upon your skin. So what's the next step? The next step is to apply a primer. Yes, this one, the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm, is such a good primer, you guys. It makes the foundation look so good because it has a tacky feel, so the foundation sits well on it. You can apply it and massage it into your skin. Let it set for a few minutes, and then when it has got that tacky feel, apply foundation over it. By the way, I'm still having a stuffy nose, so the voice quality isn't great. Now the primer is all set and it do has a tacky feel now, so let's apply some foundation. For foundation, I'm using this Krillon TV paint stick. You can apply this. Other alternative is to apply a stage line TV paint stick, or you can use a Christine one as well. So just apply it evenly. We have to go heavy-handed with the base when it comes to wedding, but we have to make sure it doesn't look cakey. So follow all these steps. It won't look cakey at all. It won't settle in your fine lines. So what I'm doing here is just blending the foundation. TV paint stick, I personally like to blend it with a brush, but you can use a dampened beauty sponge as well. This is how I blend, and I find it pretty easy to do that with a stippling brush or a foundation brush. So just blend it evenly all over your face. And one thing I like to mention is don't forget your ear and your neck. Please do apply foundation there as well. When it comes to wedding, we have to make it perfect, so we'll be applying another foundation over it. Usually you can use the pancakes to set it, but I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, dabbing it all over my face, and we'll set it as well. Krillon pancake is also good, and other alternative is Christine pancake, glamorous face pancake. These are all good affordable pancakes available in the market. Now the next step is concealer. Concealer हम यूज करते हैं to brighten up our face. So हम अप्लाई करेंगे नोज पे, करते हैं like bridge of the nose पे हम करते हैं, अंडर आई एरिया में करते हैं, फोरहेड पे करते हैं, चिन पे करते हैं. Then we'll be blending it as well. Now we will blend our concealer and then we'll move towards the other step. So what's the other step? The other step is to apply some corrector. Usually the corrector is applied beneath the skin, but the one I use is this NYX. It can be applied over the base and it looks good. So I'm applying it all over my dark circles and those pigmented areas I have, and then we'll set it. Second last step is to set our face. So what we'll use is the translucent powder. This is the RCMA translucent powder. The best thing about this powder is that it doesn't flash back. So फोटोग्राफी में वाइट कास्ट आपको नज़र नहीं आता पिक्स के अंदर, तो कोशिश क्या करेंगे ट्रांसल्यूसेंट पाउडर्स वो वाले यूज़ करें जिसमें फ्लैश बैक ना हो. So I'm using this all over those areas जो मुझे सेट करने हैं अप्लाई करेंगे, hefty amount अप्लाई करेंगे and then we'll let it set for few minutes and then we'll dust it off. It is baking in my upcoming videos, so now I'm dusting it off and then we'll move on towards the last step. Helps to make your foundation look good. It set it and then increases the wear time. Some setting spray gives a matte finish and the other gives the dewy finish. It entirely depends what you want according to your skin type. So we are done with this video. I hope you guys like it. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. The storms we chase are leading